Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I just wanna actually run the AVD or Android virtual device and let you see what's going on. Okay. First, we need to go to the tools, Android and AVD manager, and as you can see, this is my default AVD or Android virtual device. I just need to actually click on this play button to run the AVD, launch the emulator. Okay. Now it starts running the AVD. Okay, now it's time. It depends on the speed of your hardware, and then as you can see, it's like actually turning on an Android device for the first time. Okay, now as you can see, the AVD is like a actual device, and we can easily test our own applications on this virtual device. For example, if I just click on this play button, it's gonna ask me some questions. This is the option, the default AVD that was created by the Android Studio for me. And if I choose this AVD and click on OK, you can see that the application is going to run on this virtual device. Okay, now this is my application, Hi World app, and as you can see here, these are just some comments for actually that is actually generated automatically. But the thing that is important here is that my application is now running smoothly, and if I, for example, exit out of the application and click on this actually menu of the applications, I can see my application here, Hi World, and this is my application. And I think this is enough for this video, and in the next video we're gonna actually test our application on an actual device. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.